Your girlfriend wants to see me, your boyfriend wants to be me. It's your boy, Straight Boy, and I'm back with another video. And today, it's an exciting day, as the title says. I got some of my parts in, so I'm gonna hop straight into it. I'm not gonna talk too much. Let's get these things unboxed. This is all I got. I do have a list, but it's obviously on my phone. I don't have my camera, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I don't really remember what's in this thing. It's been coming in different packages. Obviously, Texas Speed does their own little thing where they just give you what they got. So basically, all I'm really doing so far, because I don't know what else I need to replace, but we're doing high flow oil pump, cam, springs, rods. I don't have to replace the lifters because they're already upgraded. What else am I doing? What the fuck else am I doing, yo? Whatever, man. We'll just hop into it. Let me change the view up so y'all get a little better look. All right, man. That should be better for you guys. You can see a little bit better. So, like I said, man, I don't really know what I'm doing. This is the first time I've ever done something like this. So, bringing you guys along is always nerve-wracking, but I've done it before, so we're gonna do it again. If I act like I know what I'm talking about, don't listen, because I don't. All right, man. Get straight into it, dog. So right on top, we're gonna go with the big boy. Damn, I forgot what the fucking specs were, doggy. Yeah, we went with Texas Speed for the cam. Put that right on front. Crankshaft bearings. That right on the bottom of the pistons. Went with the ARP balancer bolt because the stock ones are one-time use, so upgrade to that so we can take it on and off when we need to. I say these are for the spring. I'm about to say I don't even know what these are, guys. Nah, but these are the valve springs, the seals that seat the valve springs. So that'll be for my spring package. Got us a badass keychain, some slight, you know what I'm saying. Some stickers, you know, some slight, you know what I'm saying. Some slight. We got our Melling Performance. I believe this is the oil filter or the oil pump. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll figure that out. It's got a little spring or whatever. But we'll figure that out. But this is my high flow oil pump. Get some more oil going through that thing. I don't believe there's any grease on this because I did not want to get dirty right now. But yeah, there's that. It's looking nice already, clean. Something slight. Comes with a bunch of shit that I don't know and I couldn't tell you what it is now, but we're gonna figure that out. You know, like, we gonna figure that out down the road, son. So there's that. That's not smart. So there's that. And then we got our PAC, Pack Racing valve springs. Something slight. And I couldn't tell you what this is. Looks like rods. Yes, sir. So these Texas Speed rods. These bitches are oiled up, so I'm definitely not touching those. And that is it for this box. So I ordered some more things and they'll be on the way, but I just want to give you guys a little update. So yeah, basically that is it for this video. Like I said, I ordered a bunch of different stuff. It's gonna come in pieces here, but I'll keep you guys updated as I go. If you guys are new, like, comment, subscribe. And for the day ones, if you guys are still watching, make sure you comment, comment speed comment speed under this video, and I'll send y'all 20 bucks to one of you guys. So the more you comment, the higher your chance is gonna be that I can send you 20 bucks. But if you made it to the end, that's my boy right there. You guys are real fans. You guys are sticking with me through this thing. All summer I got content stacked up, so be on the lookout for that. And like I said, if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.